Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Jerry from Bigelow Woodcraft. Today's video is gonna start off a little different. I already lost the opening footage. I don't know, I accidentally deleted it. It's probably my fault. So I'm just gonna let you know, I've already got the first cut done and we're gonna get started right into this. This is, again, black oak. It's a long log. I think it's about 17 feet. Somewhere right around there, just barely fits on here lengthwise, and it's for those trailer deck boards. And I think we're all done with that, but we have a nice maple on here, so you'll have to come back and check out how we do this one. All right, guys, here it comes. What I am gonna do is I'm gonna cut this, preserve my back. My back's been sore. Yeah, something right around here. I gotta pick it up. Actuator failed. What's going on here, guys? A lot has happened since last time I've been out here, guys. If you recall, last time I was out here, the linear actuator for the throttle went out. And I had a second one, and I put it on, and that failed. Let me show you what they look like. I've beat a couple of these up over the years. One originally I accidentally hooked 24 volts to these are only 12 volts one time, and I burned one of them up. And then, so this other one is about 5 years old, finally burned up, or gave up the ghost. I'll take that. It was a 60 Newton linear actuator. They look like this. And then, I don't know which one's which, but here's the other one that I put on. I think this is the original. I don't have my glasses if I can read that. No, I can't read it. But one was 60 and one was 30. And it just didn't have enough power, and that one gave up the ghost. So I got a new one on it, so we're hopefully up and running. I did experiment with it a few times. I'm over that illness. I do still have a little bit in my lungs, but I ended up with a leg problem that kept me on crutches for a week. I'm feeling a lot better. I'm using a cane a little bit here and there, and right now I'm walking around. I need to get moving and exercising it more. I ended up getting a sciatica problem. I don't know what irritated it. You saw me out here struggling with some heavy stuff, but I also lift weights every day. I never really felt a situation that gave me a problem, but it got so bad I almost called my doctor. I didn't know if I maybe got an infection from being sick in my replaced hip, but I had no fever after original sickness, so I got no redness in the hip or anything. And then it goes down my leg and into my calf. So after doing I'm sure I used to have sciatica before I had my hips replaced, and I'm sure that's what I have now. But woo, I'm feeling a lot better though now. I hear you, Crow. I'm gonna have to get the peanuts back out, and they're yelling at me. That's always fun. Get those peanuts out, get those crows coming in. All right, anyhow, when that thing died, where I was at, I had one more cut to go, and I didn't finish it. And this is those trailer deck boards. So we're gonna one cut, and I got another log I got to put on here because we got to finish these 2 flitches, and then I got another log to put on here. But that will probably be a different video. Let's get this warmed up. Let me show you that throttle linear actuator setup that I have. So the cable is hooked to the linear actuator. Let's pull it, let's do it. Let's rev her up. Band's tight. I'm really happy about this. Looks like that blade's cutting good. You have a silicone band on there for normal. That's my last one. Then I gotta open another box. Long cut, I think we're 17 feet, I said. Down there. When I put that water solenoid on a couple years ago, man, I'm glad I did that. Sure saves me. It works with my throttle. When my throttle's on, the water's on. When my throttle's off, the water's off. I didn't spill any. Man, it feels good to be out here today. Damn, it's like 45-degree angle. 11. We can get an 8-inch cant out of that side for sure, but we're not going to get one out of this, I don't think. Well, I can get a couple 8-inch boards though. So that's what we're going to do. That guy's order is complete, but a couple of the boards have a significant amount of weighting in them. He needs 13 of the boards to cover 9 feet or 100 and, it's really not 108 inches, but 102 inches or something. So we have 13 8-inch boards. So that gets you across that are 16 to 19 foot long. And the trailer's 19 foot. Actually, it's not 16 to 19 foot. The trailer's 19 foot. I don't have any boards that long. All right, this is for up the middle of the one trailer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He needs 30 inches. These are 11-inch boards. He needs to cover a 30-inch spot all the way up the trailer. And these are how long? That will fix this trailer. 10 foot, 11 foot. God, I hope his runners, you know, are in the right spot, but the other ones, I got 13 of these. I should have asked them. It's probably 16-inch centers. This one is for the whole, this is a whole deck trailer, the entire deck. Oh, this is these are gonna cut out at 14 feet. So then he'll have to stem these pieces. That's what these were for. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. So that would stem out, so he needs 6 feet off of each one of those. No, 6 feet, 5 feet. Hopefully these are 10 foot. They are 10 foot. But again, it depends where his runners are at, and I don't want them to be short. How long are these other ones? So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut this other log. There's enough here if all the runners are in the right spot. You know, it falls in perfect. All right, this one is 16 feet, 6 inches, so he needs 3 foot off of each board. But the runners, so I suspect they're not gonna be in the right spot, so let's say 5 feet. Yeah, I'm gonna give him that board, that log right there. It's not a good looking log though. It's got a lot of rot in it maybe. Got some holes in it. Oh yeah, probably full of ants. All right, we'll cut her open though. Let's do it. All right, guys, that'll do it for today's video. I feel great. I am so glad I got out here. You saw me finish that one log, cut and finish that one log, and we had a few problems in between besides the machine. I had some problems with myself. But thanks for coming along. Hope you like this content. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you out here next time. Take care. Hey, one last thing. If you want to see this cut, come back next week. If you don't want to see it cut, all right, we'll see you whenever you want to come back.